Ngicabanga ukuthi i-draw sayintekile like you are saying, we accept it. It's a very, very tough one. But again, there's something good about it. You know, you don't need to motivate anyone for the draw. Wonke umuntu osebenza ku-Young Buffaloes, I think naphuma i-fixture enkulu kangaka uva ngathi it's time for me to work. So siyayiprepare le game, siyabathembisa abadlali bethu ukuthi if they could come in numbers at the stadium, noma kanjani batawujika bajabulile. We do want to go to semi-final. Sitatimisela kakhulu lo mdlalo, it's one game lesiva ngazuthi this nyawo sidlalana nabonsanga yethu bantu lesine history nabo lenkulu futhi lesicabanga kuyo ukuthi yonke into fanele siphele khathe groundini. Umbukeka wacela eMaswati asaya kuyobukela umdlalo athi phathe kahle into esho ukuthi siyaphepha sifika sonke siphephile wena nalo seceleni kwakho kanye mhlambe nalo lo mlandzela kusicelo nje ukuthi siphathene kahle saye emidlalweni sikhumbule ukuthi this is just a game of football. Yena siyela kojabula siye lokunye ngiyabamela abantu ukuthi abete siyabatisa iziliviki sachubeka ukuthi siyawudlalela kuphi nembabano salo siphathe nje sibe prepared for the game ilanga nalifika.